Hello everyone, myself Ajinkya Nafde, Assistant Professor, ASP College Devruk, Autonomous. Today we are going to start next point in Artificial Intelligence subject from semester 5 of TYBSc Computer Science. Today we are discussing the foundations of AI and state of art. First, let us start with foundations of AI. Here, first foundation of AI is philosophy. There are different philosophers made AI is possible by considering the ideas that the mind is in some ways like a machine, that it operates on knowledge encoded in some internal language, and that thought can be used to choose what actions to take. That is, in simple manner, you can say machines can think like mind and choose respective actions like a mind. The next philosophy is mathematics. Mathematics provided the tools to manipulate statements of logical certainty as well as uncertainty and probabilistic statements. They also set the groundwork for understanding computation and reasoning about algorithms. The mathematics plays very much important role by creating the theory of computation topic. It has a huge role in AI. The next philosophy is economics. Economics formalize the problem of making decisions that maximize the expected outcome to the decision maker. That is, economics in AI is like from given inputs, how we can maximize our outputs, how we can maximize our expected outcome is nothing but our economics. Then next is neuroscience. Neuroscientists discovered some facts about how the brain works and the way in which it is similar to and from computers. How human brain works, how neuron in brain works has very much huge impact in AI. The next point is psychology. Different psychologists adopted the idea that humans and animals can be considered information processing machines. The next is languages. Linguists showed that languages use fits into this model also. Next is computer engineers. Computer engineers provided the ever more powerful machines that makes AI application possible. Without them, it is very much difficult task to create applications of AI. The next point is control theory. Control theory actually deals with designing devices that act optimally on the basis of feedback from the environment. Initially, the mathematical tools of control theory were quite different from AI, but nowadays the fields are coming close together. Now, let us move towards the state of art, that is, the areas where AI can be used. What can AI do today? A concise answer is difficult because there are so many activities in so many subfields. Here we sample a few applications. In that, first is robotic vehicles. A driverless robotic car named Stanley sped through the rough terrain of Mojave Desert at about 22 miles per hour, finishing the 132 miles course first to win 2005 DARPA Grand Challenge. Stanley is Volkswagen Touareg outfitted with cameras, radar and laser rangefinders to sense the environment and onboard software to command the steering, braking and acceleration. Second is speech recognition. A traveler calling United Airlines to book a flight can have the entire conversation guided by an automated speech recognition and dialogue management system. There are various speech recognition systems now available in current market. Next is autonomous planning and scheduling. 100 million miles from Earth, NASA's remote agent program became the first onboard autonomous planning program to control the scheduling of operations for spacecraft. Next is game playing. IBM's Deep Blue became the first computer program to defeat the world champion in a chess match when it beated Gary Kasparov by a score of 3.5 to 2.5 in an exhibition match in 1997. Kasparov said that he felt a new kind of intelligence across the board from him. The next is spam fighting. Each day, various spams occur in our email account. Now, learning algorithms classify over billion messages as spam or have. If not classified away by algorithms, then it will cause very much time of our general users, which may be results in 80% or 90% of all messages. Because the spammers are continuously updating their tactics, it is difficult for static programs approach to keep up and learning algorithm to work best. The next point is robotics. There are various corporations like iRobot Corporation has sold over 2 million Roomba robotic vacuum cleaners for home use. This company also deploys the more strong PackBot to Iraq and Afghanistan, where it is used to handle hazardous materials, clear explosives, and identify the locations of snipers. The next point is machine translation. A computer program automatically translates from any language to another, allowing that speaker to talk in his own language or mother tongue. Then that program will automatically translate that language into another language. This program generally uses statistical models built from various examples. So there is no need of any computer scientist on that team to speak that respective language. So these are the just few examples of artificial intelligence system that exist today. Not a magic or science fiction, but rather science and engineering and mathematics. So this is all about today. Thank you for listening.